Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.